Alright, all you rat rod fans, this is Mouse Rod Tim, making a lot of progress on the mouse rod project. This week I fabricated the doors. I still have to make some latches for them and paint them. But they're coming along nicely. That's mostly what I did this week. I also had to repair the exhaust. Had some leaks going on there. Took care of that. So this coming week I'll be finishing up a little bit of body work, paint work, and I also have to install an alternator, a small alternator, because the built-in alternator is not really, doesn't put out enough current to power the lights for a long period of time, especially with the external lights I'm going to have on the little trailer that we're building for which is sort of like a portable manger scene that we're going to have in the local small town Christmas parade. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope you would subscribe and comment below. Thanks. Bye.